Let's buy tickets now.
We need 2 seats.
To the coastal city.
Train for 10 o'clock.
Ask about the price.
Hello, 2 tickets, please.
How much money now?
90 euros total.
That is expensive.
We pay together now.
Here is my half.
Here is my money.
Thank you, ticket agent.
Which platform is it?
Platform 2, he said.
We must go fast.
Why the hurry now?
Train leaves in 10.
Oh, we need speed.
My bag is heavy.
Use the elevator.
Good idea, Lana.
Let's go quickly now.
Follow me now, Lana.
I am right behind.
We made it now.
Platform 2 is here.
The train is waiting.
Time to board now.
Let's find Coach C.
This train is huge.
Look for the letter C.
Coach C is right here.
Our seats are window side.
I want the window seat.
You sit by the window.
Thank you, dear Max.
Put your bag up high.
It is too heavy now.
Let me help you lift.
You are very strong.
No problem at all.
Now we sit down.
Comfortable seats now.
5 hours to ride.
I hope to sleep well.
I brought my music.
I have my book ready.
The train horn blows.
Time to say goodbye.
Goodbye, this station.
We are moving now.
Look at the city view.
Tall buildings everywhere.
Soon we see nature.
That is what I need.
Fresh air is coming.
Let's open the vent.
Nice breeze now.
The journey starts.
Look at those fields.
So green and open.
I love the farms.
We see many cows.
And big white sheep.
The sky is so blue.
It is a perfect day.
I feel relaxed now.
No stress on trains.
I will read my book.
I will watch the scene.
What about your job?
I start next week.
That is very soon.
I must find apartment.
Is your hotel ready?
Yes, for 3 nights.
I go to a small resort.
That sounds lovely.
We can meet later.
Yes, in the new city.
That is a plan.
Are you hungry, Max?
Not yet, thanks.
We have 4 hours left.
Time for a long talk.
Tell me about yourself.
I love photography.
That is interesting.
I take photos there.
Oh, the trolley is here.
I need a hot drink.
What do they sell?
Coffee, tea, and water.
I want some chocolate.
And a cup of black coffee.
Hello, trolley man.
1 coffee, please.
And 2 chocolates, please.
How much money now?
7 euros total.
I will pay this.
Thank you, dear Max.
My treat for us.
The chocolate is good.
This coffee is hot.
Be careful now.
We are halfway through.
The landscape is flat.
Soon we see the sea.
I am excited now.
Me too, very happy.
The sun is high up.
Nice and bright outside.
Time to rest now.
We can talk later.
I will close my eyes.
Sleep well, Lana.
Thank you, Max.
I will watch the bags.
Lana, wake up now.
What is happening?
Look at the window view.
Wow, a huge bridge.
We are crossing the river.
It is so long.
The water is fast.
This is amazing.
Take a photo now.
My phone is ready.
Get a good picture.
Done. It looks great.
The bridge is ending.
Now more green fields.
Only 1 hour left.
Time flew by fast.
We talked a lot.
It was nice to meet.
I am glad we met.
Are you hungry yet?
No, coffee was enough.
My stomach is full.
Good planning for food.
I am ready for the sea.
Almost there, Lana.
This is the best trip.
Train travel is easy.
I prefer it now.
Soon, sand and sun.
I can't wait now. Max, look outside.
Is that the blue?
Yes, the ocean now.
It is so vast.
I see a white boat.
And big fishing ships.
The color is bright.
The air is salty.
I can smell the sea.
We are very close.
The train is slowing.
Final stop is near.
Time to prepare now.
Get your bags down.
I can lift it now.
Let me help you.
Thank you for help.
All set and ready.
This coach is hot.
Open the door soon.
We are excited.
New place awaits.
This journey was fun.
Thank you, Lana.
Thank you, Max.
We must stand up.
Let's go to the door.
Wait for the stop.
Train is stopping.
Here we are now.
Wow, busy station.
So many people here.
The air is fresh.
The sea is right there.
Let's find a taxi.
Taxi rank is outside.
I will lead the way.
Follow you, Lana.
Watch your bag now.
I hold it tight.
The sun is strong.
I need my sunglasses.
Put them on now.
Much better view now.
The station is large.
Biggest one yet.
This city is big.
And very famous.
Time to start new.
I need the beach now.
Let's find a taxi.
The line is long.
We must be patient.
We waited 5 hours.
10 minutes more.
Look, a free taxi.
Run fast, Max.
Got the car now.
Hello, driver.
Take us to the coast.
To the old port area.
And my hotel is far.
Driver will take both.
That is good idea.
Look at the palm trees.
This is beautiful city.
My new home is here.
I envy you, Lana.
You can visit me.
I will call you later.
I am excited now.
Where is your port?
Next street is mine.
My stop is first.
Goodbye, dear Max.
Have a great start.
Thank you for sharing.
It was my pleasure.
Here is my money.
No, I pay this part.
You are too kind.
Goodbye, driver. Bye-bye, Lana.
See you soon, Max.
Enjoy your new job.
I will try my best.
Max is gone now.
Driver, continue now. To the old port.
Yes, right away.
Stop here, driver.
This building, ma'am?
Yes, apartment 301.
That will be 7.
Here is the money.
Thank you very much.
Can you open the trunk?
Your bag is heavy.
Yes, long journey.
Here is your bag.
Thank you for the lift.
Have a good day.
Goodbye, driver. Time to go inside. Key fits the lock. I am inside now. Small but cozy room. The window view is nice. I see the port below. This is a good spot. My new home here. I need to unpack now. Where is the bedroom? Ah, it is over here. I am hungry again. Maybe order food. Must call Max soon. Tell him about view. I love this city. New life starts today.
Hello, Max?
Hi, Lana. How is it?
The apartment is great.
Good view of the port?
Yes, I can see boats.
I am at the beach now.
Send me a picture.
I will send one now.
I am tired now.
Long day of travel.
Thank you for the trip.
Thank you for company.
Are you eating fish?
Not yet. Later now.
I will eat soon.
Get some rest, Lana.
I need sleep now.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow we meet.
Where do we meet?
At the fish market.
At noon? Is that okay?
Perfect. See you then.
Have a good night.
You too, Max.
Good night, Lana.
Bye-bye.
What a trip. Time for my swim. Tomorrow is fun.